All right, we've got new record highs in gold once more. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for gold. You can see how gold hit a new record high of 2,845 and has stalled around that price. And you can see, what is that price stalled against? Well, it's this trend line that was support on the way up and is tested as resistance now on the way up. So far, it is resistance. Whether it remains to be resistance or continues to be resistance remains to be seen. But it could be, and it could cause a some short-term resistance or even a pullback. So something to be aware of. However, the next target is pretty close, so I wouldn't be surprised to see a break through the line a little bit, hit this target at 2,856, and then find some resistance. Now, of course, targets are only worth so much. They're not hit, and they don't always follow through. So it's just giving us a gauge. But I think the gauge works sometimes. So you can see, what is this target? It's a 127.2% Fibonacci extension of this decline. So we have a decline here, the biggest, most recent decline. A retracement of that decline up is 100% retracement up here, 127.2% up here. So that's the next area where a decision might be reached if this trend line is broken. And you can see that price could continue to advance while still staying below the trend line. So interesting. A trend line is a trend line, though, so it's just helping us, giving us some context, giving us a little bit of additional clue as to what might be going on. So if we do see resistance, a pullback, we want to be watching for support around this prior high, 2,790, and then the week's low at 2,772, and then the 20 moving average 2,735.36. Okay, that is it for gold traders. Have a great week.